Welcome. This session is designed for using mirror therapy. Please sit comfortably in a chair, with your feet supported on the floor and your arms resting on a table. If you feel tired, you may pause and rest. Step 1. Setting up the mirror. Place the mirror box or mirror kit on the table in front of you. Align the mirror with the center of your body along your midline. Make sure the reflecting surface of the mirror is facing your good hand that moves better. Take a moment to adjust the mirror so it is stable and upright. Step 2. Placing your hands. Place your affected hand behind the mirror, completely hidden from your view. Place your unaffected hand in front of the mirror, where you can see its reflection clearly. Keep your eyes focused on the mirror throughout the session. Only move the hand you can see in the mirror. Do not try to move the hand behind the mirror. Keep it relaxed and still. Please remove or hide any rings, bangles, watches, scars, or marks from the visible hand so both hands look the same. We will now begin training. There are 8 activities. Each activity will be performed into sets of 15 repetitions. After each activity, you will rest for 30 seconds. Follow my voice and move slowly. Activity 1. Opening and closing the fist. Place your hand flat on the table. Slowly open your fingers, spreading them gently. Now close your hand into a fist. Open and close. Keep watching the mirror. Let the movement feel smooth and controlled. Continue for 15 repetitions. Rest for 30 seconds. Second set. Continue for 15 repetitions. Rest for 30 seconds. Activity 2. Wrist extension. Place your hand on the table, palm facing down, fingers open. Slowly lift your hand up from the wrist, away from the table. Then gently lower it back down. Lift and lower. Watch the movement in the mirror. Continue for 15 repetitions. Rest for 30 seconds. Second set, wrist extension. Rest for 30 seconds. Activity 3, thumb opposition. Keep your hand relaxed. Touch the tip of your thumb to your index finger, then to your middle finger, then to your ring finger, and finally to your little finger. Move slowly and clearly. Watch each movement in the mirror. Repeat this sequence for 15 repetitions. Rest for 30 seconds. Repeat in the second set. Rest for 30 seconds. Activity for pronation and supination. Place your forearm on the table for support. Start with your palm facing down. Turn your hand so the palm faces up. Then turn it back, palm facing down. Up and down. Rotate smoothly. Keep watching the mirror. Continue for 15 repetitions. Rest for 30 seconds. Second set. Continue for 15 repetitions. Rest for 30 seconds. Activity 5. Wrist flexion and extension with fist closed. Place your hand in a mid-prone position, resting on the table. Close your fingers into a fist. Keep the fist closed. Now move your wrist up and down, bending and straightening at the wrist only. Do not open your fingers. Watch carefully in the mirror. Continue for 15 repetitions. Rest for 30 seconds. Second set. Watch carefully in the mirror. Continue for 15 repetitions. Rest for 30 seconds. Activity 6, radial wrist extension. Place your hand on the table in a mid-prone position. Lift your hand slightly upward, moving at the wrist. Then lower it back down. Keep the movement controlled and steady. Focus on the mirror image. Continue for 15 repetitions. Rest for 30 seconds. Second set. Continue for 15 repetitions. Rest for 30 seconds. Activity 7, pinch grip. Bring your thumb and index finger together to form a pinch grip. Pinch and relax. Pinch and relax. Continue for 15 repetitions. Imagine holding a small object. Watch the mirror as you move. Rest for 30 seconds. Second set. Continue for 15 repetitions. Rest for 30 seconds. Activity 8. Finger opening and abduction. Start with your fingers together. Slowly open your fingers wide, spreading them apart. Then bring them back together. Open and close. Feel the movement and watch it in the mirror. Continue for 15 repetitions. Rest for 30 seconds. Second set. Watch carefully in the mirror. Continue for 15 repetitions.